Good afternoon everyone. Our topic for this afternoon is all about policing system in China. History of policing system in China. They were established in Beijing in early 1980s to 1983. The first of them was transferred to the People's Armed Police as the People's Armed Police Special Police Group. In 1985, the group became People's Armed Police Special Police School, and in 2022, it became the People's Armed Police Special Police Academy. Chinese police system has 5 components. So ang Chinese police system kay nasa 5 ka components mo ni siya ang mga the public security police, the state security police, the prison police, the judicial police in people's procuratorates, judicial people in the people's court. So ang 5 ka components nga na mention ako ganina kay naa sila yung mission of vision. Mission nila kay mission of the China Center is to serve as a national focal point and resource center for multidisciplinary research and analytic exchange on the national goals and strategic postures of the people of the Republic of China, and the ability of that nation to develop, field, and deploy an effective military instrument in support of its national strategic object. So ang vision kay si Mr. Sadino na ang magpadayon hantod sa pinaka last part sa among topic.
Good afternoon everyone. Ako ang magpadayon dahil sa report ni Mr. Kui about sa mission of vision. Kay na-mention naman ni Mr. Kui ang mission about sa policing system sa China. Ang ako na pod karon is vision. The People's Armed Police primary vision is internal security within the country. The People's Armed Police concentrates on managing mass incident and protecting important facilities and events, while the public security focuses on handling crime and order maintenance issues. Qualification to become police in China: to be a citizen who has reached the age of 18. Kung sa Pilipinas pa 21 up, qualified na ka mahimong police officer. Kung diri po sa China, 18 pa lang qualified na pud ka mahimong police officer. Second, to endorse the Constitution of the People's Republic of China. Third, to have fine political and professional quality and good conduct. Fourth, to be in good health. Parehara po diri sa Pilipinas, dapat physically fit ka. Fifth, to have an educational background of senior middle school or above. Sixth, to become a people's policeman out of his or her own volition. The police ranking of China: first, Commissioner General, Deputy Commissioner General. Second, Commissioner, first class, second class, third class. Third, Supervisor, first class, second class, third class. Fourth, Superintendent, first class, second class, third class. Fifth, Constable, first class, second class.